Hello gamers! In this video I'll show you how easy and fast it is to get a cool avatar of yourself with Placeit. I already choose a template for it, but there are different options with different styles that you can find in the link in the description box. Let's start with the left, where I'm going to write the name of my channel and user by using these text boxes. Down here I am selecting different fonts for each to create a difference between the user and the channel name. Next to it there is the color boxes. I already have my hex code, so what I do is just click on the More button and paste it. By clicking in the Layout section, I have the option of choosing a different design for the full gaming logo avatar. Here's where the real customization starts. Select a color for your skin. I am keeping it real, but you can choose whatever color you want, even purple if your character is an alien or a humanoid. I used to use my hair blue, but right now I want it natural. For the clothes and the background, I am going for my favorite colors. I had to make it a cut. Luckily, I clicked the Save button that is located at the top part of the screen, next to the heart, where you can add this template to your favorites. To add extra graphics, just click this button here, and it's time to choose the clothes and then the head. This hair is totally accurate with my current haircut. Last, but definitely the most important part of the avatar is choosing an expression for your character. And that's it! Scroll down to get inspired by other presets, or select a totally different template to change the style of your character and try different customization options. Find the links down in the description box and check our other videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe.